Hello everyone, how are you brother? Hope you will be doing well. I am Dr. Ghulam Mustafa. If you have any question regarding poultry business, poultry farming, poultry feed formulation, poultry feed manufacturing, poultry production, poultry diseases, poultry management, anything you can want to learn, please follow my YouTube channel and you also see on my video. This chick is alhamdulillah going to day 7. Look at this is my 9,000 broiler chicks.
I am giving you a 1 week update on our broiler chicks. They are 7 days old now and their progress has been incredible. Alhamdulillah. Just look at these little guys. In only 7 days, our broiler chicks have gained an average of 210 grams each. It means they gained 210 grams in first week. Alhamdulillah, that's an outstanding weight gain for the first week, showing strong genetics and excellent care. To put that into perspective, many commercial broilers aim breed for 180 to 200 grams in week 1. So we are off to a fantastic start. They are more active, curious, and already showing strong body development. So in first week we are providing a high protein starter diet. This diet contains about 23 to 24% of crude protein, specially formulated to support rapid growth during this critical phase. Clean water is always available and we refresh it twice a day. So this is first week complete and second week is started. So we are keeping the brooder at a steady 90 degrees Fahrenheit, 32 degrees centigrade, gradually reducing it by 5 degrees each week to help them adjust. Cleaning, bedding, proper ventilation, and heat lamps are key to their comfort. So I will discuss it is important to monitor for sign of stress, dehydration, or illness. At this stage, small problems can turn serious fast. Stay alert and your chicks will thrive. So you know this is 7-day-old chicks. And can anyone tell me about your chicks at day 7 weight gain? Can anyone tell me about your chicks? How much you gained in first week body weight gain? The feed distributed in small feeders as well as the feeder which installed in my poultry farm. In my previous video you can see open plates and small feeders are only used, but in second week after 7 days we will use these large feeders because the size of chicken is very large and according to situation they need more feeders. So I change these feeders, small feeders, into big feeders. After 2 or 3 days, when our chicks learn about feeding from these big feeders which are installed in my poultry farm, then I remove these small feeders. I think age of 14 days I removed these small feeders and turned only these big feeders which you shown in my poultry farm. If you have any question regarding poultry, please comment me in comment section. Hope you will enjoy these beautiful videos, these beautiful chicks. So please pray for my beautiful chicks for remaining healthy and active. So goodbye to everyone.